Guess what I have here in this bucket? This is the first sawdust here on the farm. For those of you who follow the channel, you guys know a while back I bought a sawmill, and at some point we set it up here. There is videos in our history, you can watch that if you want. But then life got busy and this project was on hold. And today I actually cut the first couple boards. Come on and take a look. This is my Norwood sawmill, the LM30. And here we are in our barn. You see here, set up everything on the roof, which is nice. So, and this is the first log I have here on the sawmill. This is just for trial. I mean, don't judge me that I'm doing it wrong, whatever. It's just testing the machine, right? So, I know there is way better ways how to do this and cut boards. But for me today, it was a big step forward that I actually fired up the machine and I got some boards out of it. So let's see how this goes. Now let's look at the result here. What a beautiful board. I'm really proud of it, that this actually works and that we finally can start milling our own lumber. Look at this beautiful board. And here are some more boards I cut just a couple minutes ago. For some of you, it might be nothing special because you do it every day. But for me, this is a big step forward here on the farm. To be able to make own lumber, this is priceless. And I'm really happy that we got it all set and ready to go.